currently at Naval Air Station Jacksonville. The Defense Logistics Agency is the nation's logistics combat support agency. DLA Aviation in Jacksonville fully supports all commodities used for aviation production for a fleet in the center southeast.
We repair, maintain, and overhaul aviation aircraft, engines, and components, providing the artisans the necessary parts and material in order to execute those repairs and maintenance is key, because without those parts arriving in a timely manner, they wouldn't have what they need to get those resources back out to the fleet.
I support the F5, the F-18, and the trainer line. My job is to expedite their parts.
I believe that the coordination that we have with our DLA Aviation and DLA distribution partners is the linchpin to our success.
We take pride in every action having a bigger purpose and making sure everyone feels valued as a member of the Defense Logistics Agency.